Welcome to Video Revealed. I'm Colin Smith. A quick answer to the question I get a lot is, what's the best way to search for your episodes? Because trying to search on YouTube for anything is a real hit and miss way. So what I've done is every single time I post a new episode, I add it to a giant spreadsheet with hundreds and hundreds of my episodes so you can easily search them. How do you get to it? You become a member on our website, VideoRevealed.com. Donate any amount you want, and then you'll get to the members page. So go to VideoRevealed.com, log into your account, go to the members section. There's a few things you can download for free. And down here at the bottom, you can get to the spreadsheet. Click on that, open that up, and search and find any of the over 500 episodes and growing from our show, tutorials on everything from Premiere Pro to a little bit of Photoshop, some After Effects tips and Illustrator stuff, and lots more. So there you go. Go check it out on VideoRevealed.com.